Hi madam, my name is Logamendra Nair, son of K. Paramasivam. My matri number is 2121600181. Amma Faiz bin Mohammad Hafiz is my group member. His matri number is 2121600136. Okay. This is my coding, madam. The question is, if the odd number is pressed, display the value on the 7 segment display. If the even number is pressed, turn off all segment on the 7 segment display. So this is my coding. Okay. As the question, if the odd number is pressed, the display will on. If I press even number, the display will off. So same like that. Okay, that's all madam. Thank you.